Buri weaving. This is a traditional Filipino art craft that can be found in many regions of the Philippines, including here in Lipa City, Batangas. This art form uses buri palm leaves to create a variety of handcrafted items. For this documentary, we'll focus on two of the most commonly crafted products, which are the buri basket and the buri hat. In this video, I'll be interviewing my mother who has a knowledge and personal experience with this local art craft.
Yes, I heard about the buri weaving products. The buri weaving products, isa siya sa mga matitibay at very useful at also eco-friendly product ang buri weaving. So, kaya until now, pinapatronize namin yung mga product na yan sa mga ginagamit namin araw-araw dito sa bahay. I think medyo hindi na masyado. But I think our local government try to provide a program for our communities to promote our local product. Yes, because it shows the traditional, the cultural skills, knowledge, and also the social identity of our old ancestors. Buying this product nakakatulong ito para kumbaga maipakilala pa at i-continuous pa yung mga naumpisahang mga skills ng ating mga ninuno o makatutubong grupo at kumbaga maipasalin-salin pa natin sa new generation. So, malaman pa rin nila kung saan nagkaling mga product na yun. One of them is the price competition. The competition between the local product and the import product. This import product is more cheaper than our local product. And mas napapatronize ng mga maraming Pilipino yung mga import product dahil mas mura siya. And ang next na challenge na nakikita ko is yung medyo nawawala na, hindi masyadong napopromote ng ating local government yung mga local product natin. So ang kailangan ng ating government is tulungan yung mga local producer kung paano makikipag-compete sa price ng yung ating local product sa mga import product. At isa pa, pwede silang magawa ng mga fair sa mga community para ipakilala yung ating mga local product. Tapos ipopromote nila to, then tayo naman mga Pilipino, mapatronize natin. So by means of that, so yung local product natin is magiging success at hindi mawawala sa atin.